It's nice to be 2 from 2 in the group stage, but fully aware of a big game in Trinidad later on in the week. So enjoy the evening. It's always good to have a win. When you win a game in the World Cup, it's always important to be happy and enjoy it. But fully aware that it's only 2 games and a long way to go.
How did the boys execute a game plan?
I think okay. There's still a few areas to improve on, and that's the exciting thing. That you know, there's still areas that we could have been a lot better at. There were areas we excelled at, and we'll look to continue that in the World Cup. But there's certain areas, if we get things right, even with bat and ball, you know, that shows us how much potential we have and how far we can go. I thought with the ball we're generally excellent. Just a few things to tighten up on. With the batting, there's also a few things, but I thought the way Gobaz played was exceptional. Reading the conditions and having Indian batsmen until the last over showed how valuable that is. Faisal, to get a wicket first ball of the innings always sets you on in the right direction, and that gives you good momentum going in. I thought even in that power play there's still things we could have done a little bit better with the ball, and I'll continue to push these guys so that they can reach the level they deserve to be and playing in the matches they deserve to play in.